In this video, I will show you how to turn Legaldesk.com contracts data into something you can actually work with using Minexa.ai's powerful scraping tool. I am going to the Legaldesk.com page where the list of contracts is already showing. Then, just hit the Minexa.ai extension icon right there in the toolbar to get started. The panel is open. Click the violet button that says, "Yes, I'm on the right page," and Minexa.ai reads the full page structure to detect the contracts list. And, just like that, the main list of legal agreement results is identified by Minexa.ai. List only for quick results, or detail pages for each contract's full page. Choose what fits your needs best. Continue does the job here, or choose Advanced if clicking a tab or filling a field is needed before results load. That highlighted section is where your data lives. Click Create Scraper, and Minexa.ai learns how to extract it automatically. Every field is detected and listed, such as agreement titles, dates, and parties involved. Pick what matters, and this scraper handles the rest. Developers, click API Request to get working Python code with proxy and JavaScript rendering already set up for your projects. Click the button to confirm and lock in the scraper configuration so you can run it anytime without changes. The navigation button is detected automatically. Adjust it if needed, and then continue to proceed with scraping. Almost there. Add a schedule if you want this to run automatically, then hit Complete Setup to save everything. Hit Run, and that's all there is to it. Minexa.ai quickly starts extracting your legal agreement data. Missing fields show as blank, rather than guessed or filled in automatically, so your dataset stays clean and reliable without manual checking. Typical data points include contract titles, dates, parties involved, and agreement status for complete legal insights. Hit Export, and your dataset downloads immediately, with every legal agreement in a separate row, ready for analysis. No experience is needed to get data from any website with Minexa.ai, and for developers, no more maintaining scrapers that break every time a site updates its layout.